Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Our warm weather is showing up in different ways. Spring tulip bulbs are emerging. This picture was taken on Wednesday morning in Norman in a mulched landscape bed. The freeze hours for February 18th through the 24th shows half the state with no freeze hours. Those hours slowly increased west of a line close to Interstate 44. Mesonet sites farther west had more hours and colder minimums. Kenton had the most hours, 24 hours below freezing over those 7 days. Places with no freeze hours mimic our recent rain pattern. Areas colored green on this map had more than an inch of rain. The highest total was 2 21/100 inches at Byers, near where McLean, Pontotoc, and Garvin counties meet. Unfortunately, west of Interstate 44 and north of Interstate 40, the rain dropped off quickly. Tulsa had 58/100 of an inch, while North Oklahoma City only 4/10 of an inch. Lighter blue areas had less than 1/4 of an inch. Now here's Gary with a look at 2016 rain accumulations and our spring outlooks.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, Al gave us the good and the bad news. Lots of rain across the southeastern half of the state, but not much across the northwestern half. That also brings us to the good and the bad news of the latest drought monitor map. So let's take a look at that. Now, if you remember last week, we did see that yellow, abnormally dry color start to encroach upon south central Oklahoma. The rain did take care of that area, and we don't have those yellow areas down across south central Oklahoma anymore. But unfortunately, we still have that yellow blotch up there in the northwestern Oklahoma around Roger Mills and Ellis counties. And the bad news is that's liable to grow unless we get appreciable rainfall up across our northwestern parts of the state very soon. Now, more good news. If we look at the March through May outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center, we see for temperature, increased odds of below normal temperature across the western half of the state. Now, for precipitation, we see increased odds of above normal precipitation for the western 2/3 of the state, and especially out across far western Oklahoma and the western panhandle. So a mix of good news and bad news, but the good news is that El Nino still lurking out in the equatorial Pacific, still hoping to get some impacts from that with some wetter than normal weather. We'll just have to wait and see and calm this fire weather down, give those crops some moisture, and then we'll take a look at it next week. That's it for this time. We'll see you on the Mesonet Weather Report.